Welcome to Draw and Design. If you want to import an AutoCAD drawing into the Revit project, you can import it using two methods. One is link CAD method and the other is import CAD. But there is a slight difference between these two. If you link a CAD file to the Revit project, once you change or modify the CAD project, CAD drawing, it will automatically change inside the Revit. But if you import a CAD file inside a Revit project and then you modified the AutoCAD file, it won't affect or change inside the Revit. Now the CAD file lives inside the Revit. So let's check these two options one by one. So first of all, let's go to ground floor and we will open up it from the project browser. So to do so, we have to click on Insert tab and then go to Link CAD. So these are the drawings which I have exported in the previous video of Draw and Design, and now I want to import this ground floor file into my ground floor plan of Revit. So I will click on this file and then we have to set some options. As you can see, we have drawing file. One thing you have to remember that the drawing file which you want to import in Revit must not be an higher version from the Revit version. Next, we want to preserve some colors. If the exported file have some colors inside it, then these colors will be preserved. Then the layers and levels, there will be all levels visible, and import units will be auto detected. If the CAD file is exported or created in architectural units, it will be converted automatically in Revit. Then we have to understand the positioning. If the AutoCAD file is placed on or some geolocation, then it will be automatically aligned to the origin inside the Revit project. We want to place this drawing on ground floor level and then we will click on Open. So the drawing is imported, as you can see, along with all the essential information and lines, dimensions, which are preserved, and the colors are also preserved from the AutoCAD file, and it is imported inside the Revit file. Now this import, which is actually a link CAD, if you go to AutoCAD file and then change some positions of lines or some dimensions, then this will be automatically changed inside the Revit project. In the other process, we will learn about the import CAD process. But this time we will import a 3D model. And we want to import the 3D model inside this file, and we want to do so using Import CAD. So click on Import CAD and then we have 3D view, which was also exported along with that other files in my previous video. You can watch that video by clicking on I button. Then we will select this file and also we will use the same settings which are already shown, and we want to place this 3D view on bottom of footing and then we will click on Open. Now, as you can see, the file is exported along with the topographic map, and this 3D model is not created as per as per the Revit rules, because Revit have some materials and some system families, imported families, and other lot of things. But this time we have imported an AutoCAD solid 3D model inside a Revit project. So this is just a 3D view which is not covering all the topics of Revit. But if you want to shade it or show it in shaded views or realistic views, you can see it. As you can see, the black color is applied on everything. No material, no nothing is applied. So now you have seen that we can import file using import CAD option, and also we can import file using link CAD options. I hope you enjoyed and learned this process of import. Please hit like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.